on how to post on a business portfolio page from both your Facebook page and from the Meta Business Suite. You can navigate to see your Facebook page in the top right corner. You'll want to drop down and choose the business page you want to post from. Scroll down, and where it says what's on your mind, you can simply type a post, and to add photos and videos, simply click this green icon. Then you can click here. From here you can choose the folder in which you would like to upload folders and videos, any photos or videos from. So I can choose a graphic. There's my video.
Look, friends, your brand is more than just a fancy logo that you made on Canva at 2 a.m. after one too many cups of coffee. It's your reputation, your first.
That would allow it to post as a reel if you would like to. You can go through that, or you can just post as a video. I'm not going to post this right now, so I'm going to cancel it. You can also go into your Meta Business Suite by clicking this button right down here on the left side. That will bring you to this page, and from here you can simply click Create Post. Select Instagram and Facebook, or just Facebook if you prefer. From here you can select photos. You can either select them from your business suite, or you can upload them directly from your desktop. You can also add videos there. Then here is what you're going to text. And this is what comes up. It'll show you your preview. For Instagram, you have to have a photo in there in order to see everything. So I'm going to put this demo photo. You can also click Instagram feed, and it shows you what you're going to see right there. To schedule your post, you can click select date and time. Select different days and different times for either Facebook or Instagram. You can also have it automatically shared to your story. And this is an option to boost your post. From here, if you click publish, it'll post right away, or you can click finish later and it will save it as a draft. Hopefully this was helpful. Toodaloos.